Hey man, how's it going? Bro, I just spent my entire weekend in fulfillment. I'm doing SEO, I'm doing social media posts, and now the client wants me to manage their grandma's Etsy store. Nothing really. I mean, AI does most of our fulfillment for us. I hate you, but I secretly respect you. I love you too, bro. What's up, guys? It's Frankie. In this video, I'm going to show you something that I think is the single biggest opportunity in our space, something you can capitalize on, create passive, automated, recurring income from yourself. It's super easy to do. It takes 10 minutes to set up. Literally everybody needs it. Nobody's doing it, and you're gonna make a bunch of money, and it's gonna be recurring. So that's gonna be hella exciting. For those of you guys who don't know me already, by the way, my name's Frankie Finn. Since 2007, I've built 3 of my agencies up to 100 plus clients. I also wrote these 2 best-selling books, Beyond the Agency Box and Passive Automated Recurring. And I've helped thousands of people out there just like you to live this more beach, less laptop lifestyle. Let's get into the good stuff. All right, I don't want to oversell this, but let me tell you how good this opportunity is. It is this good.
What would you do if you had $1 million?
I'll tell you what I'd do, man. 2 chicks at the same time, man.
All right, so what is this magic opportunity that we've been kind of teasing? And the answer, in a word, is what I call AI micro tools. In other words, creating little tools that are super easy to create. They take 5-10 minutes to set up. And you can solve a recurring problem for a client with this. And I'll give you a real life example. I had an attorney client who came to me and said, basically they get these forms from the insurance company and they have to answer the same 3-4 things over and over. And every single time they have to scan the document, they're looking for a couple of things and then they just respond the same thing. So we created a simple tool where they upload the document, it automatically is pre-programmed at those 3-4 things, and then spits out the reply, saving them 10-15 minutes every time they have to do this, which is multiple times a day, every day, forever and ever. And that is a micro tool that we can rent out over and over and over. It took us literally 10 minutes to set up. In fact, the client told us how to set it up, and nobody else has it. In fact, one of the things that I've noticed is that almost everybody is thinking about this in terms of sales. They're thinking about how AI can help sales, but almost nobody is thinking about how AI can help clients with their fulfillment. And I think that is the secret, is in the boring, repetitive task. So the first thing that we're going to start with, if you guys want to create your own AI micro tools, is you have to start with a problem. And easiest way to find a problem that AI can solve is just ask your client, is there any boring, repetitive shit you have to do that you hate every single day in your business? And almost always there's some sort of form, bureaucracy, technical shit, software, tools, something that they have to do repeatedly. There's probably at least actually 10 or 20 of these that they are doing daily. And these are all opportunities for you to create a tool once that you can create for one client and ultimately rent to thousands with how much fulfillment? 0, right? Because the tool is actually doing the fulfillment. The other great thing about this is a lot of times when we try and sell, say, like an SEO service or whatever, clients aren't ready to commit to something for the rest of their lives. In fact, it often sounds a lot like this.
That's what turns me on about you. Your attention to detail.
Listen, pet dick. How would you like me to make your life a living hell?
So most clients aren't really ready to commit to these long-term relationships out of the gate, but they are down to test a little tool. In fact, if you want to, you can actually monetize the tool by just upfront saying, hey, I created a little tool, it's super valuable. You can just try it and have at it for free. Again, there's 0 fulfillment for you. So if they want to try before they buy, there's no real harm and foul. So I want to show you guys how we're creating solutions with this. And the answer to these problems is what is known as a custom GPT. And all a custom GPT, for those of you guys who are not super avid ChatGPT users, it is a chat window, but it is pre-programmed with a set of information, so you don't have to type in those same instructions over and over and over and over. And this is only available on the paid version, which is I believe $20 a month. Don't quote me on that because I haven't watched how much it is. Maybe it's 29 or something like that. But anyways, a custom GPT is preloaded with a set of instructions. So for example, let's say with that insurance document, we're always looking for the same 3 or 4 things. We're always answering the same 3 or 4 things. So that GPT is automatically programmed to say, we are looking for these 3 or 4 things, and we're outputting these 3, 4 things. And we also gave it a couple of examples so that it knew what to do. And we said, what I want to be able to do is upload the document and you output the answer. So in doing so, when we create those set of instructions one time, we can put that into a GPT so we don't have to answer those instructions over and over and over. And all we have to do is then just show up, upload the document, get the answer, upload the document, get the answer. Good news with this, because there's actually zero fulfillment and zero cost for you to do these, it's super easy to then let a client just try it out a couple of times, see if it helps them with that repetitive task. Maybe you have to tweak it a little bit, but in doing so, you can rent it over and over and over, which is like this.
I got good news. We're extending arts and crafts time by 4 hours today.
My fingers hurt.
What's that?
My fingers hurt.
Oh, well, now your back's gonna hurt because you just pulled landscaping duty. Anybody else's fingers hurt?
Good news! We're extending the trial of your free tool for 4 hours. So here's the cool thing. So let's talk about the process of actually creating these. And usually, by the way, where I start with are pen and paper, and I actually get ChatGPT or any sort of other AI equivalent. You could do this with Claude or DeepSeek or whatever, right? Whatever your flavor of choice is. But I actually get it to generate the GPT for me. So in ChatGPT, in order to create a custom GPT, you need 2 things. You need a prompt. You need a conversation starter. So I'm just going to write C starter. And optional is what I would call reference material. So I'm just going to put ref for there. So those 3 things make up a GPT. You have a prompt, which is probably the biggest part of it. You have a conversation starter, which is somebody clicks the button and it's preloaded with understanding what the next step is. And then reference material, you're not always going to use reference material. In some cases you would. In the example GPT that I told you guys, we did have a reference material. We had an example letter. We had an example response. So it understood what to do with those basic things. So what you want to do with these things is really, on a piece of paper, is map out what I would call the 5 to 10 things you need it to do. What do we actually need this thing to do? And sometimes it might take you a couple of minutes to figure this out, right? It might take you a couple of minutes to just figure out what do I actually want this to do? What are the things that matter? And to get very, very clear on probably the most important detail is, what do you actually want it to output? In our case, we wanted it to draft the response. Dear insurance company so-and-so, fuck off. We were asking for $30,000, and there's a reason we're asking for $30,000, right? Whatever those 5 or 10 things are. And when you sketch those out, this is the basic process. And I'm going to show you guys on my kid's little drawing tool, but pretend for a second it's a cell phone. We're pretending for a second this is a cell phone because I'm actually recording with mine. So anyways, this is a phone. This is how I do it. I go to ChatGPT and I hit record. And you can actually talk at least on the phone version, you can talk to ChatGPT as a voice. It'll understand what you're saying. And I say, hey, ChatGPT, I'm trying to create a custom GPT. And what I would like is for you to generate the conversation starter. And also what I would like for you is to generate the full prompt. What I'm looking for as an output is the following. Here are the 5 or 10 things that matter in this GPT. Number 1, we are writing a response to the insurance company. You are looking for this. You are looking for that. Your typical response to this is that. If it depends on this, you're going to respond that. Can you please generate these instructions for me now? And we click send, and we wait a second. And what you will find is it will output all of the stuff you need to then go generate a custom GPT. So somewhere inside of ChatGPT, on the menu, I'm obviously not showing you here, I'm showing you on a whiteboard, but they have a link for a section that says GPTs, and at the top you can create a custom one, and there's an equivalent of this in Claude and all the other tools and Gemini and so forth. And what you do is then simply create that tool. Now, how do you actually give this to clients? Well, and do it in a way where you can rent this long term. And the answer to this is we are going to embed this on a website. And I'm going to put a link below for you guys to the tool we recommend. You can do it the first couple of times for free. And the reason I'm not saying it in this video is because this technology is evolving so fast that chances are that tool will change over the next 3-6 months. And I don't want to have to make a new video every time the tool updates. So I'm just going to put whatever tool we recommend is going to be below in the video description as well as a pinned comment. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that custom instructions and then put it in a tool. And then this allows you to put your chat into a web page. So imagine this as a single page on a site like we have for an attorney. And so here is your custom chat bot. It's already preloaded with instructions, and it has a button here that they can go to start the conversation. And all we simply do is we add a password to this tool, and we rent it. So we say, give us money, and you'll get a password, and you can use this tool. And again, you can let them try it out for free. So you can say, hey, enter in your credit card, and you can try it for 14 days and stuff like that. There's lots of tools and stuff like that do this. It allows you to then rent that tool out to clients over and over. Actually, if you want to, you can actually make money just giving away tools for free, because some of the tools require additional credits and things like that. When clients buy credits to use on those platforms, you will get an affiliate commission. So you can actually make money just giving away your tools for free. Imagine that. And then, of course, the real magic of this, if this tool works for one client, how many other clients do you think we could potentially rent this for? And this is something, by the way, that the only place I've seen this talked about is inside of our Wolfpack Mastermind, which is for agency owners, which you can learn a little bit more about here. That's what happens when you play too many video games as a teenager. When you got neglectful parents. So what you're looking to do, and by the way, this whole process from start to finish will take you about 10 minutes. So it starts with asking a client about their problem. And when you ask about the problem, you're going to be literally the only human being on earth that has a specific solution to that problem, at least in the beginning. Fast forward 5 or 10 years, I can't tell you what's going to happen. But in the beginning, you're going to say to a client, or a potential client, by the way, you could ask this in a community of people. Like even if you have 0 dentist clients, you can go to a community of dentist owners and just say, hey, what's a problem that you deal with that's repetitive and annoying and you have to deal with every day? What's the most repetitive, annoying shit you have to do? Filling out forms, doing documentation, whatever. And if you said, hey, I'd like to create an AI solution for you totally for free, would you down to be a guinea pig? And the real magic is it's 0 fulfillment once it's set up. It takes about 10 minutes to set up, and we can rent this tool over and over and over and over, month after month after month. And all we're going to do is create a GPT, which in order we need a prompt, we need a conversation starter, and we need any reference material if there is any, and not always will there be reference material. Then we need to figure out, and this usually comes from the client, the 5 or 10 things you need this to do, as well as what we're looking for as an output, get clear on that, and then we simply take that and we use our tool to embed it on a page, add a password to it, and add a payment gateway. And there are 1,000 different tools, by the way, that'll do the payment gateway and the password scenario. So again, if you guys want, I can put some links to those, but again, because those tools change, I'll probably just do that. But all this does is in 10 minutes, you create a tool that solves a repetitive, annoying problem. And by the way, it's very hard for people to cancel when it saves them time all day, every day. And they don't know how to make it themselves. And nobody else has it. Like, that's how you end up with clients who stay and pay. And yeah, you might only be able to sell this tool, by the way, like typically for like anywhere from like $10 to like $199 a month. The real magic is not the recurring cash flow. It's how many times you can rent out the same micro tool, right? If this solves a problem for one attorney, it probably solves a problem for 8,000 attorneys, right? So what you're doing in essence, and it's the easiest sale in the world. I created a tool that solves this repetitive, annoying problem that you told me you have. You can try it out for free. And if you like it, you just have to rent access, and people are used to paying for tools. So I hope this video was super helpful. I hope you guys got your mind blown of what's possible. If you guys like, drop a comment below in this video, because I will do more about these AI micro tools if you guys are interested. If you're not, and I don't have enough comments, I just won't make more videos. So let me know if this is something you would like to hear more of. And like I said, drop a comment and or question or whatever you guys have. And we'll see what we can do with that. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Much love. May the force be with you. Golden Dad Guns. Make sure to subscribe. Hey guys, if you like this video, you may also like my best-selling book here, Beyond the Agency Box. It is all about scaling a digital marketing agency while eliminating meetings and phone calls. We actually sell our stuff phoneless. We don't have any client meetings, and we also hire our team entirely without meeting phone calls, which allows us to, like actually kind of live a life. I've laid out the entire blueprint and everything you need to know, getting clients, onboarding, setting expectations, scaling, building a team, you name it. It has been a bestseller on Amazon now for over 5 straight years, but now you can get it even cheaper than you can get it on Amazon. So I can't tell you the exact price because it may change when this video is released, but there should be a link to it below, either in the description of the video or as well as a pinned comment. So if you're interested in that, check out that video and you can get a copy for super cheap.